Oh, Roadford? Stickford? No, I said that. Leaf, no.
Let's phone Joe.
Wait, Hi, Finny. Hi, Jamesy.
I've got some deliveries for you. I'm on my way. See you soon.
Come on, Ozzy. Let's go. Oh. Ah, hello. I'm Joe.
I'm James.
And who is he?
Cousin.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Fia, and this is Rua.
We have some Dizzy Deliveries for you. Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday?
No,
No.
it's not my birthday.
Granny. Birthday.
It's Granny's birthday. It's a big secret.
Ah, it's a surprise birthday party.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot. What was on the list?
Yes, some balloons. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Balloon. Balloon. You sign. Balloon. Good. Balloon.
More.
More? More. Wait here.
More. More.
More? Wait here.
More! I know. Let's play a game.
The smell of baking. I'm a really good baker. are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Ella. Julie says hello.
Hello, Julie. Donald, when can we start baking?
Well, we first have to wash our hands.
I knew that. We have to wash our hands.
Let's love sign. Wash. Wash. You sign. Wash. Good. Wash.
What is he like?
Now can we start baking?
No, Joe, I don't have any flour.
Yes, my first delivery. Wait here. Flowers.
Joe, that is not the flour I need. I need this kind of flour. And I need more of this kind of flour. Come on!
Flower.
Thank you, Joe. I guess this'll do.
Hello, Connor. Oh, you sit down and I'll bring you a coffee.
Oh, thank you, Joe.
Okay. I'm a very good barista.
That's not good.
Yes, it. Oh! Oh! It's time to go.
Enjoy.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm JP.
Ah, and you must be Hazel.
Today, we're going to make the prettiest pizza in Ireland.
I love making pizza.
Let's love sign. Pizza. Pizza. You sign. Pizza. Good. Pizza.
I love making pizza.
But first, you have a delivery from me.
I have a delivery for you?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. I remember.
I need to make tomato sauce.
I've got lots of tomatoes. Wait here. Oh.